On October 3rd, we got intel that 2 of Adid's lieutenants would be ripe for a snatch and grab. We all knew our roles. 4 Ranger Chalks would pull security, while Delta operators grabbed the principals. If everything went right, we'd be in and out in less than 30 minutes. By 15:35 hours, we were geared up and waiting to hear the go code, Irene. Little did we know that Operation Restore Hope was about to secure its place in history.
This is Command. Your AH-6 is spun up and waiting on pad 29 for your run. You and your team will be briefed on the right end.
Understood, Command. On my way.
You think this is another drill? No, we put live ordnance on our roads today. Well, let's go then. Anyone know the outboard? No, but judging by our loadout, this should be a quick one.
Good to go, Sergeant?
You know it! As soon as we get you strapped in, we're out of here! All units, this is Romeo 6-4. Irene! I say again, Irene! That's the launch code. Hang on, everyone. You heard it! Irene! Man, I thought we'd never get to go for this operation. I was tired of getting all dressed up for nothing.
I hear that. Secure! Second floor clear!
I think the bad guys are behind those locked doors! Why don't you blow the doors with a grenade? Stay right where you are! Keep your hands where I can see them! Taking fire! Need backup!
Romeo 6-4, this is Delta 5-1. Principal secure, moving to extract.
Copy, 5-1.
position and help them out.